7:30 a.m. Been working since 7 a.m. typically till about 4 p.m. And if I have to work a little bit later till 5, depending on how the day goes, then I work till 5. But it isn't until 4 or 5 o'clock that the fun doesn't start at the shop. So let me show you how my day is like before I can even go out there and have fun. I typically get up thinking about what is it that I'm going to do during the day for work, and also what I can look forward to in the afternoon to work on the cars, if I have anything in particular. If not, I usually try to find something I can do at the shop, but most of the times it isn't planned. But my day job comes first. I'm a systems engineer or DevOps engineer, senior DevOps engineer. What that really means is I sit behind a computer all day, and I love my job, don't get me wrong. It's the car stuff that really keeps a good balance between my personal life and my job itself. You always gotta have something else to do after work, and I love doing both. I love being an engineer and I love working on cars, and I think that in both cases I can actually, complement each other one way or the other. I can have my engineering mindset for both cars and work, so it works pretty well. I am a little bit hungry though, so let me go get a snack before I get some real breakfast, and then I can get back to work. Hi, little.
Come on, Abby.
Sophia.
Yeah. And Daddy.
Can I get a kiss?
Ow.
Sorry. Abby.
It's a school day.
It is.
Abby.
And it's a work day. I came to get a snack so I can get back to work.
I need the blanket.
Okay, come get your waffles.
Okay.
Morning vibes.
Hello.
Hello.
Lots of cinnamon.
Okay, back to work.
Bye.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready to go.
Okay. That'll be in like 20 minutes.
20 minutes, okay. Everybody have their mask?
Yes. Right here.
That rooster. I don't understand why that rooster crows even in the middle of the night, 2 or 3 in the morning.
How is it awakened?
And that's what I would like to know. Abby looks like Hollow Man. Okay, sorry. Bye, girls.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Have a great day. Love you.
Be safe.
Bye, Abs.
Bye, Abby. Back at the house. Gonna have some breakfast. Oatmeal, because I like oatmeal. And get back to work. Full day ahead. Getting ready for a meeting that I'm joining at work now. And the morning is going just fine. I just gotta try to keep up with my day to have enough energy for this afternoon. Got some projects to work on. .48 p.m. and I am done with work. I definitely had a long day and just waiting now for Mike. You think you can get it?
Yeah.
All right. You become a pro at this. You only learned about a month ago. This is why it's awesome having your own shop at your house, because when you get off of work, I work from home. I've been working from home for the last 7 years. And the best part about it is that if you have a hobby that is at home, like working on cars, As soon as you're done with work, you're literally a few feet away from getting your day reset to do your own stuff. No travel time, no commute time. And that you get that all day though, especially when they were doing virtual schooling. But it's great. I was just waiting for you to get here.
Oh, okay. We're racing out there, man.
Yeah. All right. Open up, I guess.
What you been up to, man? How was your day?
My day was good. Long as. Come and check it out, bro. The idea behind these, you know, put them on the die grinder and then polish that damage. Get rid of the rust first of all, and then once the rust is out, polish it up a bit all around. I was gonna do that today, but I have decided that I'm gonna do editing.
Okay.
Because it doesn't matter if I fix that or not.
Yeah.
We still can't really finish the rear until we get a drill press to get that broken bolt out of there. Cabinets don't really have anything in them yet because I still gotta support them back here. Don't add anything into these yet until I support them properly, but they're up. It looks good. This one came really messed up. Like, look at the door. The door is like bent completely up on the left side, and then on the right side it's bent completely down, and the back has like a big bend. Yeah. So I couldn't fix those, and I purchased these months ago. And that's the problem. When you buy something, you got to build it quick, because if it comes damaged, you can get them exchanged. But it doesn't really matter because this, other than aesthetics, it's still solid. It works. The screwdrivers are in here though. That was the only thing I put in this one.
Oh, okay.
But what I was going to mention was that a lot of these fluids that we have up here and other little tools that we can put up there in those cabinets, it'll be great because then we have more shelf space to put bigger merchandise, you know, car parts or anything like that we need to order. And it frees up space from here to go in there, and the cart is now usable. We just gotta get an engine stand for your Subi engine, and once those wheels are actually on this car, then that frees up that space. Those are going on the hatch on the EJ, those bad boys. But I gotta make sure that those fit. I'm pretty sure they do fit because they come in two sizes. They come 4x100s and 4x113 or 114, but they fit different sizes. I just have to make sure. And if they do fit, I'm gonna have these tires taken off, and then I'm gonna repair all those rims and repaint them to something else. We work full time. Mike just got out of work as well. He starts at around 8 o'clock, doesn't finish till 5. I start at about 7 and don't finish till 4 or 5. And now when we're done with work, we come and do this stuff. Work on cars. I'm gonna keep my hands clean today by doing some video editing because I have a big queue to deliver content for you. And Mike is gonna work on these front brakes. We're actually doing a 4-lug to a 5-lug conversion, front and back. And I'll come and check on him in a little while, see how he's doing, and get some shots of this. Dinner. Ooh, asparagus.
Yep.
Huh. Making an egg salad?
No,
You didn't work out today.
I did not.
And neither did I.
There's still time.
There's always time. That is the mindset that I wish everyone had in this world. There's always time for health and fitness. Abby, you sleepy? Yeah, you sleepy? Well, you can't sleep yet. So Mike is working on cars. I'm gonna work on some editing. And I think it's time to call it quits. Let's go check what Mike is up to. It's quitting time for me, probably quitting time for you. If you decide to stay longer, that's up to you. But I'm done. And as you can see, we had a full long day. This is what it takes to work on your stuff, whether if it's cars, computers, whatever your hobby is, baking, woodworking, you name it, fabricating. If you want to do something and you have a full-time job, this is what it's gonna take. It's gonna take dedication after work and putting in that time. We only got 2 hours in. We can go longer, but then you compromise with family time, and that's a big no-no. I've gotten better at spending more time with family, and I want to keep it that way. But this is all she wrote. I mean, Mike made some progress with this brake setup. Little by little, we're getting there. And if that's the only amount of time you have for the day, that's all there is. You can always pick up tomorrow. And with that said, I'm checking out. Thanks for watching. Vlog number 2. Comment, like. If you're gonna dislike, double tap the dislike. I'll appreciate that. And let's engage, let's talk, let's see what else you guys want to see. We're still learning, we're having fun when we have time. Again, that's all she wrote. Peace.